Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted highlight from your Instagram. Now, quick information before I dive into this video. Most of the time this doesn't really work because depending on how you actually uploaded your highlight. So let me get into it. So open your Instagram application. Click on your profile icon on the bottom left, and now let's say you accidentally deleted any of your highlights. Right now, the way to actually recover your highlight is you click on the menu and then you go to your archive. Everything you have on your archive right here, they are all your highlights. So there are most of them that I've used as my highlights. They are all saved right here. Now, quick information also. I have actually tested this. It worked very well, but most of the time it actually failed. So you might look for a video or a picture and you might not see it here. That is probably because it was actually the same day. You can notice the dates. This is 8 March, this is 13th May, different dates, right? Now, if you see the same date, it obviously means that is an error. So if you have the same date, it's not going to appear. So normally you should be able to recover your deleted highlight from your archive. But if for some reason you actually have them saved with the same detail, you are not going to see them displayed. So this is all I want to share with you on today's video, guys. And I hope it's helpful. If it's helpful, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and peace.